Hey there, everyone. If you're tired of your Shopify store being buried in Google resorts, let SEO and AI SEO and image optimizer do the heavy lifting. No SEO expert needed. What makes SEO and stand out? Auto boost site speed with AMP, image compression, and lazy load. AI-powered SEO tools like meta tags, alt tags, structured data, and keyword research. It also detects 400 errors, bulk redirects, and auto fixes broken links. It also comes with built-in ChatGPT AI writer creates high converting product descriptions in a seconds, tracks keyword ranking, and analyzes your competitors' SEO strategy. Whether you're optimizing 50 or 1,000 products, SEO and has your covered. Real-time SEO scans and actionable reports, powerful indexing tools, and image alt text bulk editor. It also gain backlinks and outrank the competition fast. When it comes to plans, it comes with free plan, 30 AI credits, SEO checker, 50 image compressions, and also backlink exchange. It also has a pro plan, which is 29.99 per month, comes with 200 AI credits, bulk meta edit, 1,000 product scan, and speed optimizer. Premium plan, 59.99 a month, 500 AI credits, AMP, competitor keywords analysis with 24/7 support. It also with a glowing reviews of more than 1,000 and stellar 4.8 star rating. SEO and is the smart way to drive more traffic and sales without the SEO stress. Install now and watch your rankings and revenue rise.